For solving a question's index form, a plus b plus ab is equal to 41. A plus c plus ac is equal to 26. So b plus c plus bc is equal to 125. So let's represent a plus b plus ab is equal to 41 to be equation 1. This is equation 2. Let's say equation 3. So from equation 1, so in this equation 1 we have a plus b plus ab is equal to 41. So there's some logical things that we want to do. The logical thing is add one to both sides. So in adding 1 to both sides, we have a plus 1 plus b plus ab is equal to 41 plus 1. So we have a plus 1 plus b plus ab is equal to 42. So let's say a plus 1 plus b is common. B onto 1 plus a is equal to 42. Therefore, we have a plus 1 plus b. By commutative law, the commutative law says that a plus 1 can be equal to 1 plus a. So here you just say a plus 1, which is equal to 42. Here you discover that a plus 1 is common. We have 1 plus b is equal to 42. So let's rearrange a plus 1 onto b plus 1 is equal to 42. We have equation 4. So this is equation 4. Now let's also, from equation 2, let's write from equation 2 which says that a plus c plus ac is equal to 26. So now from this equation 2, let's add 1 to both sides. Let's add 1 to both sides. So if you add 1 to both sides, we have a plus 1 plus c plus ac is equal to 26. We have a plus 1 plus c is common here. C onto 1 plus a is equal to 26. We have a plus 1 plus c onto a plus 1 is equal to 26. So a plus 1 is common. We have a plus 1 is common from here. We have 1 plus c is equal to 26. So you now have a plus 1 onto c plus 1 is equal to 26. Let's call this equation 5. So let's now write it out. The two equations that we have already gotten now. The equation 4, which says that a plus 1 onto b plus 1 is equal to 42. This is equation 4. and the equation 5, which give us, let's try to check it back and know what I'm trying to do. This is equation 5. Let me rewrite it. A plus 1 onto C plus 1 is equal to 26. This is equation 5. Now, let's now divide equation 4 by equation 5. Divide equation 4 by equation 5. So we have something like A plus 1, bracket open and close, B plus 1 divide by A plus 1 onto C plus 1 is equal to 42 divided by 27. So A plus 1, we cancel A plus 1, we have B plus 1 over C plus 1 is equal to 42 divided by 27, which is 3 here 14, 3 here 9. So our new equation given now is B plus 1 over C plus 1 is equal to 14 over 9. Let's cross multiply. So in crossing multiplication, we have 9 onto B plus 1 is equal to 14 onto C plus 1. 9B plus 9 is equal to 14C plus 14. 9B minus 14C is equal to 14 minus 9. So in view of this equation, we have 9B minus 14C is equal to 5. Let's try to make B as a subject of the formula. We have 9B is equal to 5 plus 14C. So we are, our B value will now be 5 plus 14C over 9. So this is the value of B. So now we now go back to equation 3 from the beginning. I'll get the value of B. So from equation 3, which is B plus C plus big C is equal to 125. So let's try to put the value inside. Our B is 5 plus 14C over 9. So plus C plus 5 plus 14C over 9 to multiply C is equal to 125. So in expansion for this, we're able to see that, let's try to multiply all through by 9. So by multiply all through by 9, we have 5 plus 14C, 9 times C plus 9C plus 5 plus 14C multiplied by C is equal to 125 times 9. So in view of this, we have 5 plus So 14c, let's try to put it up, plus 9c plus 5c plus 14c squared is equal to 1125. So now let's add 14 plus 9c. First, let's put 14c squared here. Now 14c plus 9c plus 5c, making 14 plus 14 give us 28c plus 5 is equal to 1125. So 14c squared plus 28c plus 5 minus 1125 is equal to 0. So since this one gives you 0, let's try to simplify better. Plus 28c minus 1. So by the time you subtract 5, let's subtract 5 from 112. So it will give you 1120, which is equal to everything now give you 0. So let's try to divide all through by 14. Plus 28c divided by 14 minus 1120 divided by 14 is equal to 0. So now, what is the value? So this 14 divided by 14 will give you c squared plus 14 divided by 28 will give you 2c. 2c minus 80 is equal to 0. So now, by quadratic form, we'll be able to see, consider minus 8 and plus 10. In product, we have minus 80. In sum, we have plus 2. So therefore, we have c squared plus 8c plus 10c minus 8c minus 80 is equal to 0. C is common, c plus 10 minus 8 is common to c plus 10 is equal to 0. C minus 8 onto c plus 10 is equal to 0. So therefore, c minus 8 is equal to 0, or c plus 10 is equal to 0. C is equal to 8, or c is equal to minus 10. So now, minus 10 is going to be rejected because it is negative. So you have to reject it because it's negative. So the value of c is equal to 8. Therefore, if the value of c is equal to 8, so we have gotten the value of c to be 8. And we know that the b is equal to 5 plus 14c over 9. This is the value of b. We now have 5 plus 14 onto 8 divided by 9. So b is equal to 5 plus 112 divided by 9, which is equal to 117 divided by 9. It will now give us 13. So now we are able to get the value of c and b. So we want to find the value of a. So the value of a. So let's back to equation 1 from equation 1, which we have a plus b plus ab is equal to 41. So now let's try to substitute the value of a and the value of b. So we have a plus our b is 13 plus 13a is equal to 41. So a plus 13a is equal to 41 minus 13. So in view of this calculation, which we have 14a is equal to, so let's subtract 41 minus 13. And 41 minus 13 will give you 28. So making 28. So let's divide both sides by 14. We have 28 divided by 14. So this we cancel this. Our a is equal to 2. So the overall value is a is equal to 2, b is equal to 13, and c is equal to 8. So this is the final value for the equation. So thanks for watching this video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos to get the proper answer. So thanks.